Alright, guys. Good afternoon, everyone, and once again with me. Welcome to the Health Science Material 5 by Kru Palm or Teacher Palm. So I will talk about the balancing chemical equations. After all, we just learned about how to create, how to put the symbol of the elements to make a compound, and then we put about the compound with compound that we call reactions to form the equations before. We have to know that's before, right? So if you write the equations, for the example of equation, I will show you that is carbons react with oxygen, so it will form carbon dioxide, right? This is the symbol of the equations. So this we are adapt about how to put equation to make it balancing. How about the balancing? Balancing this mean if you have the if you have something on your left side, this is your left side, and how about your right side? Big and small one, right? So if you wait, this one is really sure that the big one is have more weight, right? The small one have just a small weight or tiny weight. So you have to put it together to be the balancing. So you have to put more, a little bit, right? A bit of the matter. So this will be balancing. That's why. No need to put the big one because it's already have more weight. You have to put just only the small one to put more, right? To make it equations. So this is really simple. We are gonna teach. I'm gonna teach you, and you have to learn about this. So uh, let's see about the philosopher of the scientists. They told us that matter cannot be created or destroyed, right? Matter cannot be created and destroyed. So everything in the world is the matter. And they told us about law of the conservation mass. What is the conservation mean? Conservation mean is keep, เก็บไว้ keep. So what does this mean about conservation of mass? If you would like to make some cake, this is a cake, a piece of cake of me. So you have to put everything that is called ingredients. What is the ingredients of cake? Sugar, salt, flour. What else? Egg. Before you have to make a cake, you have to wait about sugar. You have to wait about salt. You have to wait about flour, and you have to wait about cake. So this is they are the ingredients of cake. So you have to put in the balance. Balance ก็คือเครื่องชั่งเนาะ they have to put in the balance, so they just have the number of all of this balance will be 10 will be 10 grams, for example we will 10 grams, and you have to mix the ingredients together, and then you have to bake it to make a cake. If you have some cake, it will be 10 gram as same. This is we call that conservation of mass. If you lose 5 gram, and you have to gain 5 grams as well. 5 grams as well. If you lose 2 grams, so you have to gain 2 grams as well. This is a conservation of mass. So right, for the example that I would like to show you about how to balancing the equations. For example, this hydrogen gas is H2, And oxygen gas is O2 to react together to form water, right? This one is water. You have to count about the atoms of each. How about atoms of hydrogen? Just only 2 atoms, right? How about how many atoms of oxygen gas? Just 2 atoms as well. And we have to see at this one, water. How about the hydrogens, atoms of hydrogens in water molecule? Just only 2 atoms and just 1 atoms of oxygen. So it's not balancing to the other ones, right? On your right hand side, you have 2 hydrogen. Okay, 2 hydrogen is balancing. It's okay with this one. But it's not okay of this one, atoms of hydrogen. This one has only 1. And your left hand side is 2 atoms. It's not equally. Or it's not balancing. So you have to put it for balancing. How should we do about this one? Yeah, how should we do about this one? So if you would like to make it equally, let's see to the rest right here. Hydrogen will be 2. For first of all, right? Hydrogen will be 2. If you put 2 of this one, 2 times 2 is 4 hydrogen. And how about this one? This one is only 1. All right, 1 times 2 is only 2. And if you have to put 2 for this one, hydrogen will be 4. And how about oxygen? Oxygen will be 2. And you have to check first. Hydrogen 4, hydrogen 4. Okay. And this one, hydrogen, oxygen 2, and oxygen 2 for this example. And I will give you more example to clarify it again. For the example, just only you have to put the number in front of the molecule of each. This one is 2 hydrogen. This one is 2 oxygen. And your right hand side, for your right hand side, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Wow, I just see this one is not equally for oxygen. So you have to find a number to put in front of each. If you put this one, you have to go for the example about oxygen. This one oxygen and this one oxygen is not equally, so you have to strictly with the oxygen. If I put 2 of this, it will be times 2 of oxygen. It will be 2 oxygen right here. And if you put 2 for oxygen, hydrogen will be also times 2. Hydrogen will be 4. So oxygen is okay. It's okay with oxygen. It's equally. No need to put anything to this one, right? And hydrogen, it changed for hydrogen for 4. So you have to find the number of this one. 2 times 2 will be 4 hydrogen. Every single one is equally 4H and 2O, 4H and 2O. Okay, this one is correct. Move to another one. Lithium react with oxygen to form lithium oxide. So you have to check it first. How many atoms of lithium? Just only 1, right? 1 lithium. And how about oxygen? Oxygen is 2, right? And your right hand side, lithium oxide. How about lithium? How about how many? 2 lithium, 2 lithium นะจ๊ะ And how about oxygen? Just only 1 oxygen. So which one is not balancing? Which one is not balancing? Lithium, right? Lithium is not balancing. People, lithium is not balancing. And how about oxygen? Oxygen also is not balancing, people. Please help me. Please help me find. What should we do then? What should we do? So if you would like to make the lithium two equally, let's see first. This one for 2 lithium. This one should be 2 lithium, so you have to put 2 with this. You have to put 2 with this. If you put 2 with this, lithium will be 2. And lithium will be 2 on your left hand side, and the right hand side will be 2 also. This one is okay, balancing or equal. And how about oxygen? Oxygen, they are not balanced. You have to put 2 on this one. If you put 2 on this one, oxygen will be times 2. So it's gonna be 2 oxygen right here and 2 oxygen right here. Okay, that's balancing. Oh my goodness, what's happened? The lithium is not 2 at all, right? Lithium will be time 2, will be also time 2. So you have to times 2. It will be 4 lithium. Oh, people, let's see. This is 4 lithium. This is just only 2 lithium. It's not work. It's not correct. So you have to make it more. That is 4 times 4. It will be 4 lithium. So right. This one 4. This one 4. That's 2 and that's 2. It's okay. It's balancing. Oh my goodness, people. We should do this. We should do this. Let's see the other one. Let's see the other one. Magnesium react with nitric acid. This we call nitric acid. To form magnesium nitrate. This one is magnesium nitrate. Magnesium nitrate. And hydrogen gas, right? So you have to clarify each. You have to clarify how many of each. How about magnesium? Magnesium just only one, right? One magnesium. And how about nitric acid? Nitric acid is compound with one hydrogen, one nitrogen, and 3 oxygen, right? Magnesium nitrate, how many of each? One magnesium. There is not one nitrogen. Do not forget this. This is one nitrogen. And cover with 2. If you would like to decompose each one, it will be 2 times 1 nitrogen. And how about oxygen? Oxygen will be 2 times 3 oxygen. So I would like to change. It will be 2 nitrogen. And it will be 6 oxygen. And the last one just only 2 hydrogen, right? So let's check of each. Left hand side, on your left hand side, just only one magnesium. Okay, one magnesium. Okay, it's fine. Really, really fine. One nitrogen, 2 nitrogen is not good. 3 oxygen, 6 oxygen is not good also. 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. Oh my goodness, really, really hard. So what should we do then? what should we do? You have to put about this one is 2 hydrogen. You have to make it 2 equally. So I put number 2 in front of the nitric acid. If I put 2 in front of nitric acid, every single one in this one have to times 2. It will be 2 hydrogen, it will be 2 nitrogen, and it will be 6 oxygen. Sorry, it will be 6 oxygen. How about this one? Wow, 2 hydrogen is fine. 2 nitrogen is fine equally. And 6 oxygen and 6 oxygen. Oh my goodness. This one is every single one are equal. Let's check again. 1 magnesium, 1 magnesium. Wow, it's okay. 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. Okay. 2 nitrogen, 2 nitrogen, and 6 oxygen, and also 6 oxygen. Every single one is equally. So this one is balancing. Alright? And I would like you to practice yourself to this one first. And let's do it together. Let's do it together. For the example A, carbon react with hydrogen gas, it will be methane. This one is methane. And 1 carbon, 1 carbon, 4 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. So just only put 2 in front of the hydrogen. It will be 4 hydrogen. So it's equally and easy, easy, very, very easy, right? Let's see the next one. B. Zinc react with oxygen to form zinc oxide. Oh, I just see oxygen is not equal, so you have to put over there with 2. It will be changed about zinc also. Let's check 2 zincs, 2 zincs, okay, 2 oxygen and 2 oxygen equally and easy at all. Let's go next. Hydrogen with chlorine gas to form hydrochloric. Oh my goodness, this one too, and this one only one. So just put 2 in front of hydrochloric acid. Every single one is equal and easy. Let's do the next one. 2 lithium. Oh my goodness. Oh, oxygen. 2 oxygen. This one too. Oxygen will be 2 and lithium will be 4. Let's the next one. Magnesium react with choline to form magnesium chloride. Cl2, 1 mg, 1 mg is equal. No need to do anything. Next, sodium react with oxygen gas to form sodium oxide. Sodium 1, right? Sodium 2 is not equal, so you just put over there about 2 sodium. Is that correct? Is 2 sodium? Oh my goodness. What happened? Oxygen is not equal, so you have to put this one to make oxygen equal. So if you put 2 in front of sodium oxide, your sodium will be 4, right? So you just delete it and make it 4. It will be balanced. 4 sodium, right? 2 oxygen, Okay, happy, easy, happy. Very good student. Next, G, K, and iodine. It will be 2 with this one, right? To make the iodine for 2. What happened with potassium? Potassium will be 2 also. Just put over there. Next, 2H, 2F one F, one H. Oh, very easy right here. It's equal and easy. Next, lithium and chlorine. 2 chlorine, right? I just focus on chlorine. Put 2 with this, and lithium will be 2 as well. Next, oxygen. Wow, oxygen 2. I put 2 with this, and copper will be 2. Oh my goodness. It's correct. How about this one? Oxygen 2. This one, oxygen. No, oxygen. Oxygen will be 2. Potassium will be 4. So you just put 4 in front of potassium. And next, 2 iron, 2 oxygen. Just 2 iron to make it equally. Next, sodium and chlorine to make a sodium chloride. So we do that. Chloride for 2, chlorine for 2, 2 oxygen. P4 react with oxygen to form pentaphosphorus decaoxide. How should we do that? Just 5 right here, right? 4p equal 10 oxygen, 10 oxygen equal. Very easy. And how about this one? Wow, aluminum 2. I put 2 of aluminum right here. And wow, oh my god. How about oxygen? This one 2 oxygen, this one 3 oxygen. So you have to find coronal hormone, no? So after I find coronal hormone, oxygen, I would like to put 2 with this. And oxygen on your left hand side will be 6, right? You just put number 3 of this. And what effect with aluminum? Aluminum will be 4, so you have to check again with aluminum to change it one more time. Next one is also chlorine for 2, chlorine for 3. You have to find coronal hormone, I think. Coronal hormone is 6 maybe. Make your right hand side to be 6 and make your left hand side to be 6 also. Will be 6 chlorine, will be 6 chlorine, and will be 2 V. V may be vanadium, that's why. It's very easy. You have to practice yourselves as well. So I would like to assign you to complete the example number 2. To complete it, and you have to send to me by Google Classroom. I will send your link. And you have to put your essay right here. You have to make a short or take a photo for as the previous that we have to do it before. This is enough for today, I think, and you have to complete this one in time. The last period will be 14:50 p.m. 14:50 p.m. You have to complete this before and put your assignments over there, and I'll check. Okay, stay put and stay safe. See you once school is open. Bye bye.